Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eman. If you're new, welcome. So today's Sunday tutorial is just a classic how-to video. This is all about getting that perfect winged eyeliner. This is such a classic look, and it's something that once you know how to do it, you can use it on its own, or you could add this to any makeup look and it just totally takes your makeup to another level. It is the perfect way to accentuate your eyes. So let's get started. So you're going to need a few tools to create this look. The first one is a classic eyeliner brush, something like this that's just really thin, or you could also use an angle brush. They both work great. It's really just about personal preference. So try both and see which one you prefer and find the easiest to use. You're also going to need a gel eyeliner. So you want to make sure that your gel liner is not old and dry. It needs to be creamy because that's going to make all the difference on how smooth it applies. The other option is to use an eyeliner like the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, which is amazing. I'm going to show you guys both options in this video and then just play around and see which one you find the easiest to use. So the first step of creating the perfect wing liner is tracing out the wing. One of the best ways to do that is to look straight into the mirror and then using your brush, trace the shape of your lower lash line. You want to follow the natural curve of your lower lash line, and then once you get to that outer corner, just keep following that natural shape and trace a little line. That is going to give you the perfect angle for your wing, and this is also going to help ensure that your wing looks the same on both eyes. And as you get to the end of the wing, just release a little bit of that pressure off your brush so the wing becomes a little bit thinner. You want to draw that line all the way up to the fold of your crease and just slightly past the fold. Next, you want to draw a line from about the halfway point of your wing liner because you want the outer part of the wing to be thinner and then get thicker. So draw a line going towards your lash line, and this is kind of going to create that triangle shape. Keep dragging your brush or your pen towards your lash line to make that triangle thicker. The great thing about using a thin brush like this or a really thin pen is it's going to help you get really nice sharp lines. Once you have the triangle shape, you want to go back and fill it in just to make sure that it's super black and there are no gaps. The next step is to draw a very thin line starting from the inner corner of your eye. You're going to glide your brush or your pen towards that triangle that we just drew so both lines connect. When you're doing this part, you want to make sure that your brush or your pen is lying flat horizontally along the edge of your lash line. This is going to give you the smoothest, thinnest line. I love that with the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, you could draw your line in either direction, forwards or backwards, so it makes it so easy to use. Depending on how dramatic you want to make your eyeliner, you can take it all the way in the inner corner or just about 3/4 of the way. And once you have that shape, then this is when you can go back and make it thicker. So you always want to start thin just to get that original shape and then go back and build on it. So just keep applying more product. Take your time when you're doing this. Using small strokes will give you a lot more control and make it a lot easier. And once you have your liner complete, take your brush or pen and go in between your lashes and make sure you fill in all those little gaps so your liner is super, super black. Following these steps is what's going to really help to make sure that your wing liner looks the same on both eyes, which can be really difficult sometimes. But if you follow these steps, your wing liner is going to look perfect every single time, and it's gonna look the same on both eyes, I promise. I hope you guys loved this video and found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, I post a new makeup tutorial every single Sunday, so you could always come back on Sundays and you know there'll be a new one. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I also post a ton on my Instagram, so you can add me there at Eman. And I would love to hear from you guys, so leave me a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, it would be amazing if you gave it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you next Sunday with a brand new tutorial.